Pinnacle for our point of sale system, mainly because of our sales associate who came and really sat down and directed us through everything, gave us all of the options, answered all of our questions. And when it came down to it, he was the most helpful in making sure that the system worked not only for the restaurant, but worked for our back-of-the-house reports and making sure that we had everything we needed. So he was very informative and made sure that our system was the correct one for us. What we were looking for and why we chose Pinnacle was because of a few reasons. The first being the 24-hour support and being able to actually get somebody on the line at 2 o'clock in the morning when we're closing down or when it's busy and we don't have time to wait for somebody to come out. We can always get somebody on the phone. We also were looking at what would be the easiest for our bartenders and servers to be able to mainly jump on the computer, and the computer system is so easy. Sometimes we think we're not doing it correctly, and it's easy for the bartenders, so we learned together on it. Also, it was cost effective. There was really not another system out there that was going to provide all of the things that I was looking for and still make it possible for me to open up my business and get rolling with a good system. Pinnacle's helped our business in many ways. One of them is definitely the handhelds and the ability to run tabs from the table, close out credit cards. It's a wow factor, and whenever anybody comes in here, they're shocked to see using the handhelds, and always it's a good conversation starter as well because they are interested in how we're using technology to better our business.
What I love about the iTouch with Dinerware is that I can stand at a table and take the order from a table right there. I can print a guest check. It minimizes time because I can swipe the card directly from the iTouch. And if anybody needs to see their tab, I have it right here. I can answer any questions that they may have about what is on their tab. And it's really easy, very user-friendly. Coincides very nicely with the actual terminals. The iPad does the same thing, it's just much bigger. It's very functional. You can clearly see all the screens. Everything is great. We love it.
One way that Pinnacle has exceeded our expectations is by the amount of support that we've gotten from them. Our kitchen recently opened up. Our tickets were not printing through our service printer in our kitchen, which in essence we would be losing business if we didn't get those tickets and not having happy customers in here. So within 20 minutes we were back up and running. On the phone between us and Pinnacle, we got this situation resolved rather quickly and we had happy customers again. I recommend Pinnacle to other restaurateurs and bars, nightclubs, and actually I have recommended to all of my friends that are in this industry just because I see how other companies and other terminals that I've worked on before, that this has really taken technology to the next level where they're able to, it functions completely the way that I need it to, and it doesn't make things so difficult that I can't alter things on my back end. So I would definitely recommend Pinnacle to anybody. In this industry, there's so many things that can possibly go wrong, and it's good peace of mind for me to know that my back office system and my registers are running correctly, and that if at any point I have any problems with it, I can make a phone call and the guys are out here quickly and it's taken care of. So I can rest assured that my systems are running up to speed.